Little Learners by Misha.
I wake up at 7 a.m. I wake up at 7 a.m. I turn off my alarm. I turn off my alarm. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I lock the door. I lock the door. I go to work. I go to work. I turn on my computer. I turn on my computer. I check my email. I check my email. I do laundry. I do laundry. I make lunch. I make lunch. I buy groceries. I buy groceries. I attended a meeting. I attended a meeting. I receive a phone call. I receive a phone call. I charge the battery on my phone. I charge the battery on my phone. I plan for tomorrow. I plan for tomorrow. I go to sleep around midnight. I go to sleep around midnight. I get dressed for work. I get dressed for work. I drink coffee in the morning. I drink coffee in the morning. I drive to work. I drive to work. I leave work at 5 p.m. I leave work at 5 p.m. I walk to school. I walk to school. I take the bus to school. I take the bus to school. I come home in the evening. I come home in the evening. I hit the snooze button. I hit the snooze button. I make the bed. I make the bed. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I take a shower. I style my hair. I style my hair. I put on makeup. I put on makeup. I pack a lunch. I pack a lunch. I start on household chores. I start on household chores. I cook dinner. I cook dinner.
Hi kids! We hope you liked the video. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.